Hello guys, in this video we will see what is DirectX Failed to initialize in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step understand the DirectX Failed to initialize error content. This error message in Battlefield games indicates that the game cannot properly establish a connection with or utilize the DirectX API on your system. DirectX is a crucial set of APIs developed by Microsoft that handles tasks related to multimedia, particularly game programming and video on Windows platforms. When this error occurs, it often means there's a problem with your graphics drivers, DirectX runtime components, game files, or even system configuration that prevents the game from rendering graphics or accessing necessary hardware functionalities through DirectX. Step update your graphics drivers. Content outdated, corrupted, or incompatible graphics drivers are a primary cause of DirectX initialization failures. Your graphics card release on these drivers to communicate with DirectX and the operating system. To resolve this, identify your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD Intel, then visit their official website to download the latest drivers specifically for your model and operating system. It is highly recommended to perform a clean installation of the new drivers, which typically involves removing all previous driver components before installing the updated version, minimizing conflicts or lingering issues. Step update or repair DirectX components content. While Windows typically manages DirectX updates automatically, specific runtime components, especially older DirectX libraries that many older Battlefield titles still depend on, might be missing or corrupted. Even if your system has DirectX Failed, an older game might still require a specific legacy DirectX version to address this. Download the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft's official website. This tool will scan your system and install any missing or outdated DirectX runtime components needed by various games, effectively repairing your DirectX installation without downgrading your primary DirectX version. Step verify game files and settings. Content corrupted game files or incompatible in-game graphical settings can also trigger DirectX initialization errors. Most game launchers, such as Origin or Steam, offer a verified game files or repair function. Running this utility checks the integrity of your installed game files and replaces any that are damaged or missing. Additionally, navigate to the game's configuration folder. Often located in your documents folder or update for Battlefield titles, and delete or rename the game settings file save a profile or settings deny. This forces the game to launch with default settings, which can result in issues caused by an incompatible resolution or graphics preset. Step check compatibility and disable overlays. Content ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for the specific Battlefield game you are trying to play, including DirectX feature level support from your graphics card. Sometimes third-party software that injects overlays into games like Discord, GeForce Experience, and Afterburner can interfere with DirectX initialization. Try disabling all such overlays and background applications before launching Battlefield. If you are playing an older Battlefield title on a very new operating system, consider running the game incompatibility mod for an older Windows version, 8 Windows, or by right-clicking the game's executable, selecting Properties, and navigating to the Compatibility tab.